V10 QLED car stereo results. Wireless CarPlay plus 4G that actually works everywhere. You're sitting in your car, factory screen barely visible, music sounding like it's playing through a pillow, and the whole vibe just screams, "I gave up." We've all had that quiet moment of defeat. Then the V10 slides in and everything changes. Comment your car year below if you're done feeling embarrassed by your dash. Rush hour gridlock, glare blinding the screen, audio so flat it sucks the soul out of your favorite track. That suffocating frustration bubbling up before you even shift into drive. The V10 instantly replaces chaos with total command. Crisp visuals, instant response, chest-thumping sound that makes traffic feel like a victory lap. Meet the V10 10-inch QLED Android 14 double-din car stereo, the head unit that ends compromises. That 1280 by 800 QLED screen with 550 nits and light suppression coating laughs at direct sunlight. The 8-core 2.3 GHz processor, backed by 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, delivers instant boot, zero stutter, and true multitasking. Built-in 4G LTE with dual-band Wi-Fi keeps live traffic, streaming, and OTA updates rock solid, even when wireless CarPlay or Android Auto are hogging your phone. The 7.1.2-channel 24-bit Pro DSP with 32-band EQ, time alignment, active crossovers, and 4-volt pre-outs builds a flawless, immersive stage. Qualcomm aptX HD Bluetooth, optical and coaxial outputs, HDMI out, quad 1080p camera recording with emergency lock, DriveChat AI voice control, in-car karaoke with vocal removal, and full GPS tracking round out the arsenal. Alex, a real estate agent, almost lost a $1 million listing when his old unit crashed mid-navigation. He installed the V10, used offline maps over 4G, and closed the deal from the driveway. That is domination. Now the benefits hit like a tidal wave. God-tier focus from the sunlight-proof QLED, buttery performance that makes every swipe addictive, and DSP tuning so precise you'll hear details in songs you played for decades. Renowned installer Dave from Soundwave Labs said, "I've tuned $15,000 systems that don't sound this clean." Influencer J Car Audio dropped a reel of his Atmos tune and captioned it, "I'm not driving, I'm floating." An independent bench test showed the V10's preamp outputs beat several flagship factory systems in signal-to-noise ratio. Real user Marcus wrote, "My 2009 sedan now embarrasses brand new luxury cars at stoplights." Scared it's too complicated? It's literally Android 14. Most owners are fully tuned in by the second drive. See why forums are exploding and group chats won't shut up about this unit? Because once you hear your car sound this good, there's no going back. Drop the name of the track that would absolutely destroy you on a properly tuned V10 system. I'm waiting. Join the thousands of drivers, creators, and audio fanatics already experiencing drives that feel like events, because the V10 keeps evolving with free OTA updates that actually add big features. No fake urgency, just undeniable real-world transformation you'll feel the second you fire it up. If you're ready to make every journey the highlight of your day, tap the link in the description right now and claim yours. Your car is begging for this. Go make it proud.